Nice and easy to go down. Slower, gently.
Is he alive?
He's just a kid. No older than my son.
It's all right.
We found something. We won't tell nobody. It's good to have you back, Spider-Man.
He's mine!
You want to get to him, you got to go through me.
And me.
Me too.
Very well.
Where do you want him?
And the tritium?
If only I could cause you the pain that you've caused me. First, we'll see who's behind the mask. I can look into your eyes as you die. Peace. No. It can't be. Harry. Where is she? Where is he keeping her? He's got MJ.
No, all he wanted was the tritium.
Tritium? He's making the machine again. When that happens, she'll die along with half of New York. Now, where is he?
Peter, you killed my father.
There are bigger things happening here than me and you. Harry, please, I've got to stop him.